In this video, we will discuss how to add a new page to your web page so that you can add student vokies onto your web page. So in the previous video, we had signed into Schoolwires and we had gone to our site manager. So I am in my site manager and I'm on my teacher web page part of my site manager where I can manage all the pages and things that are on my website. At the very top I see Meet the Teacher, and that is where we embedded our Vokie. But if I wanted to create a new page that parents or students could go to and see their class Vokies, I could do that now. And if you notice, I have lots of different pages on here already. So up at the top where it says Current Pages, I'm going to click on New Page. And I'm going to scroll down and find the one that says Flex Page. So I'm going to click on Flex Page and I'm going to name it. And this one can be called Vokie Student Samples. Or if you had a unit of study you were doing, it could be, Vokie Reports on Animals, whatever you want to name your page. And I can go ahead and click Save. Now, by default, the page goes all the way at the very bottom of my list of pages. If I wanted to change the order of my pages, up here I can choose Organize Pages. And when I click on that, I can choose to sort them A to Z, or maybe I want to take this Vokie one and I want to drag it up to the top right below my Meet the Teachers. Now, if I drop it on top of Meet the Teachers where you see the plus sign, that's going to give me a drop down menu for that. So you want to make sure it's on the green line. So between two pages where you see a green line, and then let go. If you notice here with presentations, I have a drop down list. That's because I dropped it right on top of the word presentations. Now, you may end up wanting to do that. If you're going to use Vokie in your classroom, you could have Vokie student samples, and then you could have a page for each unit that you do with those Vokies. And those other units could go right on top of this page. Once I have my page where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And now I can click on that Vokie student sample. When I do, it is a blank page. If I wanted to embed a Vokie, I would copy that code just like we did in the previous video. I would come to HTML and I can paste that code. So I'm going to come right over here, copy, and I'm going to paste it right into here, and then I can click Normal. In class, if this is a student's Vokie, I may want to add a title so the students and parents know who this belongs to. So this may be Michelle's Vokie. Then below that, I can go to my HTML and I can paste. And so there's Michelle's Vokie right below. And then I could go and do somebody else's Vokie after that. And there's my little Vokie. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And now that Vokie is saved on that page. So I can come over here to my teacher web page just to check it. And there's my Vokie student samples. And there is Michelle's Vokie. So this would be if you wanted to add a new web page to your teacher page, if you wanted extra pages on there.